Welcome to the Qualoo App tutorial series. This is part 1, where we'll show you how to get fully set up so you can start earning, testing, and contributing to a better internet right from your phone. So Qualoo isn't the average speed test app. Every tap, every test, every report you send, it all feeds into something far bigger. Together, we're building a global, community-powered map of how the internet actually performs across providers, devices, and borders. And you are a key part of that. So we'll break it down as we go. Step 1, download the app. To download the app, go to www.qualoo.io/download. That will take you to our site, and from there to the right area of the Play Store. As you click download, you might see a pop-up from your phone's virus scanner. That's totally normal for open testing apps. We encourage you to run the scan. Nothing should come up, and it's always good practice. Step 2, sign up. After installation, tap Open. And by the way, if you already have the app, please make sure you're on the latest version. You can sign up using your Google account, any email or password combination, or a supported crypto wallet. Once signed in, please fill in a unique username for the leaderboard and your full name to be displayed within the app. A screen will come up where you can put in a referral code. There are 2 types of referral codes. The friend referral, where the person sending it receives 500 points and the person using the code and creating an account gets 200 points. And the generic or multi-use code, where the person who sends the code gets 50 points and the person using the code will get 100 points. We'll go a bit deeper into this in the next video. So if you don't have a referral code, please join our community and I'm sure everyone would be happy to help you. If you did start using the app without a referral code, and you still want to earn those extra points, you still have time. Just delete your account before you earn too many points, since deleting it means starting from scratch. You can delete your account by going to your profile, clicking delete, and confirming. Yet, if you're mainly interested in competing with your friends, don't worry. In the next version of the app, you'll be able to add your friends who already use the Qualoo app, yet they won't earn referral points unless they're brand new users. Step 3, permissions. What and why? You'll be asked to give the app a couple of permissions to enable it to work correctly, and here is what they mean. Make and manage calls. Sounds a bit intense, yet it simply allows us to access your SIM operator info for the network testing. Android just labels it this way by default. We will absolutely never ever make or manage your calls. Location access. We need to know where the tests are taking place so that we know what specific part of the internet is being tested. Additionally, if you enable background mapping, in the app it's called on-the-move mapping, it allows us to map the quality of the internet as you're moving, and you'll earn extra points for this. And then on the new version of the app, coming out imminently, you'll be able to see what you've mapped. Notification permissions. This keeps you updated with rewards, tasks, and new features, so we recommend you turn it on. Battery optimization. Should be disabled for the app to allow it to background test and on-the-move map. These features help you earn passively and support the data gathering. Qualoo never tracks your browsing or stores personal data. We are fully GDPR and SOC2 compliant, which means we follow some of the world's strictest data privacy and security standards. To be absolutely clear, we test the connection from your phone outwards to the internet. Therefore, no information at all about what you do yourself with your internet or your devices is even known to us. Never mind storing it. Now that the app's installed and you've gone through the initial setup, let me give you a quick tour of the main screen and show you how to navigate the Qualoo app. At the bottom of the screen, you see 5 buttons. The global test, where you run your main internet performance tests. The map, which gives you a global view of your internet quality and the connection routes. Home, the Qualoo app home screen. Report, to report to the Qualoo platform issues that you might have or want to share about your service. And settings, where you manage your preferences, provider, and language. Here you can also see the version of the app that you're using. Step 4, initial setup. So let me show you how to do that next. Go to the settings and personalize the app. You can choose your language. The Qualoo app offers a wide range of languages. Select your country and choose your internet provider. If you do change your language and any translation seems off, please let us know. Every detail helps, and I'll show you how to do that in step 5. Feedback and bugs. If something isn't working properly, you can also send feedback directly through the app. Just tap the purple tab at the bottom right. It'll ask you for a clear description, preferably with your phone model and a relevant internet service provider, and or any other information that can help us reproduce the issue. A screenshot, if it helps illustrate the problem, which it usually does help quite a lot. The email linked to your Qualoo account. This helps us check if everything's working properly from our end. We won't use this to contact you. This feedback goes directly to our developers who are working around the clock to get to your issues. If your issue is urgent or requires a direct response from our team, please email us at support@qualoo.io. Just a quick heads up, this is a manual process and might take a little bit longer, yet we'll do our best to help you as soon as we can. So, you're fully set up. In the next video, I'll walk you through how the referrals work and how to invite your friends to earn more. If this helped, send it to a friend, and let's make the internet better together.